Hi guys, and welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop for all crypto-related news. I'm your host Martin, and this is a static video. Now, why are we making a static video today and not going live? We will go out live at 9 p.m., but right now we wanted to talk about certain things that happened that we said they could develop, and they ended up developing, but they should have not developed. Right now we're gonna go onto the charts and we'll look at why. Now, this is the chart that we're talking about. It's a Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour. And we set potential head and shoulders, right? Last night we were sitting here at 9 p.m. and we were starting to lose momentum. And we said maybe we could create negative momentum and bring us on a U-turn, and then we could see more price to the upside. Or, basically that's what we were talking about. But we were sitting here and we said we had this potential shoulder that could develop. Now, this shoulder ended up developing, right? But look at this. Right now, it created this bearish divergence, right? Like the price is going higher, but momentum is decreasing, right? Now this played out to us seeing lower prices, and we should have seen even lower prices, right? But we didn't. We started to see prices go up. Now, why are we seeing prices go up? And to answer that, there's fundamentals, right? China came out and said that they were going to impose taxes on the US on 70 billion worth of US imports between 5 and 10%. Now, those news and the escalation of the trade war make people not only seek refuge in Bitcoin, but also gold saw a price increase, right? Gold went up at the same time, 6 a.m. until 10 a.m. Huge impulse up, right? Bitcoin saw the impulse up until 9. Still, price going up. Now, why? We could say we're going from here to here, right? And we're making a higher high with more positive momentum. And it would be good, right? And we could say that's normal. Now, my view, I would ignore this small bump. And I would say that we're still making bearish divergence, right? Why? Because, well, look, from here to here, we're seeing a higher high, but momentum slow also, right? It's lower levels of momentum. And we are sitting high on the RSI. Not overbought, but certainly higher than we would want, right? We're almost at overbought. Now, we could see prices with that price decrease, right? With that, going down, we would see us going more to a more neutral RSI. Right? And where we could go? Well, we could use that neckline as support. We could use the 20 MA as support. Or we could even use this larger structure, right? This larger curve which we were talking about. That's been cradling us. And we could use it as support and it will all be fine, right? Because we would still be making a higher low than our previous low. And we will still be within the structures that we talked about during yesterday's stream. Now, if you guys don't know what we're talking about, once this episode is done, you can go and watch yesterday's stream or wait until 9 p.m. when we go live, and then we can talk about it, right? Now this, right? Going back to it, it ended up playing out. It shouldn't have played out, but it did. Why? Because of the fundamentals. We broke that neckline. We're up. Sideways consolidation. Would expect the price to go down because we're seeing that we're weak, right? We haven't been able to push prices higher. A lot of indecision going on right now. Very small bodies, large wicks, momentum starting to go down, and high on the RSI, right? Prices could be going down, and this bearish divergence could play out. Now, some of you might not know what we're talking about, right? With bearish divergence, etc. So I have this to help, right? This would be a head and shoulders pattern, right? This would be a textbook head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We have it here in the structure. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now, for divergence, we would be seeing this, right? This would be bearish divergence. Price going up, indicator going down, right? And we see that on their chart. Now, to clarify a little bit more, this would be price's red line. This would be the indicator, the green line, and that would put us on this red square. That would be divergence, right? That's what we're seeing play out right now. See? Higher price, lower momentum, right? We're not seeing that divergence play out on the RSI. but on the MACD it is, right? So that's what we're looking at, guys. Anyways, things played out. They shouldn't have, but they did. Again, thank you for watching today. If you haven't done it yet, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified when we go live. I'll see you tonight. Go out and enjoy yourselves right now. It's Friday. Go out for a drink, but be back at 9 for the live session. That's all for right now. Class dismissed, guys. Thank you for watching.